Hello everyone, thanks for tuning to RC Corner. I'm Caesar Khan, DJI Solutions Engineer, and today's episode is going to be very exciting because we are going to introduce you to the latest model of DJI consumer drone that is basically a camera drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. So in this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and will tell you what's inside the box, and I will also tell you a little bit about its features, and also in the end of the video I will do a test flight and we will check the different flight modes and check the results of actual footage. Alright ladies and gentlemen, you can see this is our box, and you can see this is Fly More Combo Plus with DJI RC2, and now we are going to unbox it and show you what's inside this box. So let's see. Okay, so you will receive this beautiful casing here. Okay, so you can see how neatly packed it is, and the first thing, obviously, we have the main component, that is our drone DJI Mini 5 Pro, if you can see in our camera. So this is how it comes. You can see here it's our gimbal protector, and I will open it up and show you. So we will open the propellers, and this is how it looks. So that's our drone. You can see how mini it is. It's completely lightweight. You can see it from all the directions. It's such a beautiful machine. Okay, the remote controller, that is RC2. You can see we have the big screen here, and how beautiful our RC2 is. So we have this another box. These are our ND filters. You can see it is ND8, ND32, ND128. What more we have? We have two-way charging hub. So this is our two-way charging hub, and it comes with 3 batteries. Basically this Fly More combo box comes with 3 batteries inside the box, and as you can see, 2 are here and 1 is already inside the drone, and you can charge 3 batteries simultaneously with this charging hub. So what's more inside our box? We have 3 sets of propellers, and also we have type C to C cable, and also we have some manuals and catalogs to get to fly our thing. That's all the stuff we have inside the box for our DJI Mini 5 Pro, and this is the thing you will receive inside the box. Now if we talk about the features, this drone is perfect for advanced photography and videography. And over here we have 1-inch CMOS 50 megapixel camera, and we have nightscape omnidirectional sensing, and also we have the gimbal that can rotate 225 degrees, and apart from that we have an upgraded active track 360. And if we talk about the video features, this drone can capture 4K 60 fps HD video or 4K 120 fps slow motion video. And also this drone comes with dual band GNSS system. That means you can connect to more satellites for more stability and better positioning. And apart from that, this drone comes with forward facing LiDAR system and omnidirectional nightscape obstacle sensing features, and it means your drone can fly in low light scenarios and return to home, avoiding obstacles even in the night scenarios. And now if we talk about the video transmission system, this drone is powered by O4 Plus enhanced transmission system, and you can get the enhanced transmission system of up to 20 kilometers. Flight time, this drone is powered by intelligent flight batteries, and with that you can get up to 52 minutes of flight time, that is with one battery. And as I mentioned before, this is our Fly More Combo Plus, and it comes with 3 batteries, so it means you can get up to 3 hours of flight time. Now if we talk about the weight, this drone weighs less than 250 grams. You can see how ultra light it is, and also it's so compact. You can see it's just the size of our palm, and it also features 42 GB of internal storage, so you can shoot your precious moments. You can do photography, videography without any worry. All designed into this compact drone. You can see this is a smaller drone. It looks small, but it's a complete solution for your advanced photography and videography needs. So that's pretty much about our DJI Mini 5 Pro. And if you need a drone that can capture your precious moments, this is what you need. And now we will go to the test flight.
Take off.
One to rotate. So that's all for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, as you have witnessed the test flight and advanced features of this amazing drone. And if you have any inquiries about this drone, you can write us an email at sales@rccorner.com or visit our website www.rccorner.in. And as always, see you in the next video.